Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame and another candlestick of indecision. We did get a lower high and a lower low, so the bears were in control today. We saw lots of rejections from the 200 period moving average on the 5-minute and the 20 period moving average on the hourly. Those are two resistance levels we're keeping a very close eye on. But the bulls did buy a little bit of the dip towards the end of the day, and certainly not a dump by any means. Pretty low volume and just some indecision the past 2 days. So if we do see further downside, we'll be looking at the low of the day, 207.40, and then the 10-day moving average of 205.91, which will be right around 206 with the open on Monday. So these candlesticks do indicate we could see some potential further consolidation. Bulls certainly taking a breather the past few days. We're watching this MACD. If the bulls show up and we head back to the upside, we will get a bullish MACD cross and we'll be headed to 209.33, a very key level. And on the weekly chart, that key level is the high on the last bounce. From the dump in August, we saw a nice recovery. The high on that recovery was 209.33. If we don't break 209.33, it will be a third lower high in this longer term pattern. But the bulls are certainly still strong, as this weekly chart shows. Higher lows on this entire bounce. So that makes 2.5 months of higher lows. Once we see that pattern break, it will be a red flag for the bulls, but we're nowhere near breaking that pattern. We would need to see a break of 203.70 next week for that to occur. So we'll be watching very closely. Lots of time frames can be utilized, and the daily chart, 10-day moving average, and there's a little gap to fill here at 206.25. We'll see if we pull back to that level. thechartguys.com, new website in full swing today. I encourage you to check it out. I appreciate you watching and hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.